everyone, welcome. Today I will be explaining how to make this headband. This is also a tie type headband. You have already seen one tie type headband on my channel. This is also very easy, again using the basic stitches and some minor alterations. So to make this headband I have used 3 mm crochet hook, scissor, needle and red and white cotton yarns. Yellow is a wool. Only the red and white are cotton yarns, and you can see the changes from that headband here. The cord is different, the edging is different, the type of pattern that we have followed for the headband is different. So we will start making this headband. Let's start by making a chain of 62. Now yarn over and make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So the chain 3 at the beginning counts as first double crochet and this one is the second one. Now go on making one double crochet in each stitch till the end. So the first row is done. Now make chain 2, turn, yarn over and go on making one double crochet in each of the stitch, and you will repeat the same for the required width of your headband. I have made 4 rows of double crochets. Now we will make the cord to tie. Before that we will make a triangular shape so that the cord will be easily made. For that I have made a chain 2, and now instead of working on this part we will be working on the side part, and make a double crochet in the side loops of this double crochet. And continue making the same for the rest. So I have made 7 double crochets here, including the chain 3 at the beginning. Now we will decrease the stitches, make a chain 2, yarn over and make a double crochet 2 together, make a double crochet, next again make a double crochet 2 together. We will not make a double crochet on this chain 3. It will automatically take that shape. Now chain 2 and turn. Make a double crochet 2 together. And 1 double crochet. Now turn, chain 1 and turn. Now from here we will start making the cord. I will be continuing to make an I cord from here. So I have lifted a loop here and I will yarn over and pass this loop through that first loop, and I will take one from the next and as we usually do in the I cord, take out the first 2 loops and yarn over, pick the second one, pick the third one. Okay, now again take off, yarn over and pull through the first one, pick up the second loop, yarn over, pull through the second loop, pick up the third loop, yarn over and pull through the third loop. So this will continue for the entire length of this I cord that you need to tie. Continue making the I cord for the required length. Once you reach the required length of the I cord, yarn over and pull through one loop. Now yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now make a single crochet here in the previous stitch. Make one more single crochet. Make 2 double crochets. One and 2. Next make 3 treble crochets. Two double crochets. 1, 2 and 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Next make a slip stitch in the center. Chain 1 and cut this yarn. Now you have created a nice edge to your cord, and repeat the same on the other side also. Now both the cords are ready. The thing that is remaining is to hide in these 2 ends and also attach some decorative on this headband. I'm going to attach a daisy flower on this. You have already seen how to make a daisy flower. This is a smaller one, so I will be attaching it on the headband, either on the side or on the center. You can choose the place. I'll be attaching it to the side. So I'll do this stitching work of hiding the ends and also attaching this flower, and I'll show the finished product. The headband is ready now. The ends are hidden in, and also I have attached a flower, and this is the look of the finished headband. I hope you like this video. I hope you understood how to make this headband. It is very easy, just using the basic stitches. And thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe for more such videos.